Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Topwords World. My name is Parveen Kumar and today I'm going to share with you 30 words, very strong English vocabulary words that you can use to improve your writing, speaking, and surely you will get 7 band if you use them properly. And the good thing about these words are they are universally acceptable words. You can apply them in every kind of writing task. Any kind of essay you get, you can use these words. And in case of speaking as well, you can use them in part 1, part 2, part 3 of speaking, and in every kind of topic you can use these words because such words are so usable, or I can say it has a wider acceptability. So let's learn those words. So there are 30 strong words that I'm going to share with you. Watch this video till end. The first word that you can use instead of because, often we use because to justify ourselves or give the reason of something. And if we use in essay 4 or 5 times because, that I have often seen many students use because again and again. So you are not going to have a good impression on your examiners. So I want that you should use instead of a because, you can use as. I can't work this weekend as I have to look after the children. I cannot come to school today as I am not feeling well today. I cannot play cricket this weekend as I have to prepare for my exam. Due to the fact that is a phrase that you can use instead of because, and due to the fact that this is now a play area, you may no longer park here. Due to the fact that this is a personal property, so you cannot play here. Since since you asked me nicely, I will let you use my phone. Since you need it very much, I will let you use my mobile phone, or I will let you use my notebook. Owing to owing to bad weather, the match is off. Owing to strike, all the shops are closed. Now that I can date anyone I want, now that I am single, I can buy anything now. I can buy anything I want now that I am rich. So these words you can use in place of because. Now the next is if we use to show a condition in the sentence. For example, if you work hard, you will succeed. So instead of if, you can use as long as we go somewhere hot, I will travel with you. As long as you support me, I will support you. Suppose we went to America, would it be safe? Suppose we eat fast food, would it be good for health? Unless I get the time off work, I wouldn't be able to go. Unless you do regular exercise, you cannot be fit. Providing or provided. Providing I get the time off work, I will go. Provided that I get some free time, I will help you. Next is but. But is also quite frequently used in essay writing and speaking. Instead of but, you can say however. Mario loves dogs, however, he hates cats. I like cricket, however, I am playing football today. Although Meena adores cats, she can't have one because she is allergic to them. Although he works hard, he does not earn much. And yet, Kiko's got 11 cars, 4 dogs, 11 cats, 4 dogs, and a rabbit, and yet she wants more pets. Ravi has 2 cars, a big shop, lot of bank balance, yet he wants to earn more. Nevertheless, keeping horses can be very expensive. Nevertheless, I have got 3 of them. Keeping cars in these days is very expensive as the petrol prices are rising. Nevertheless, I have got 2 of them. Even so, my dog is old, smelly, and he pees in the house. Even so, I love him to bits. Next, so. or therefore. So uh, it's sunny. That means we can go to the beach. It's sunny, therefore we can go to the beach. It's raining, therefore we can enjoy rain bath. And now I got up early and now I am really tired because of that. There was an accident and because of that I was late. So instead of using so, you can use because of that. Which made. He shouted at me, which made me angry. He shouted at me, so I got angry, or which made me angry. As a result, it rained all day, and as a result, water came through the roof. There was strike. As a result, the traffic was banned or not allowed to move. Five alternatives to and is also too much used word. It's low level word, so you should learn other words instead of using and. As well as Katjal loves singing as well as dancing. I love cricket as well as playing football. Furthermore, Meena is a great singer. Furthermore, she can do magic tricks. My mother cooks well. Furthermore, she can prepare, she can dance very well. 2. Kevin is Lady Gaga fan. He likes Rihanna too. Ravi is Amitabh Bachchan's fan. He likes Salman Khan too. Also, Ali play Ali plays piano. She is also learning guitar. What's more, I have got all his music. What's more, I have seen him live 3 times. Then, instead of saying then, you can use word following that. In graph writing, this word is often used. After the performances, the judges will meet. Following that, they will announce the winner. Next, mix the flour and eggs. Next, add the sugar and finally stir in the cocoa. So in place of then you can use next. Then after that, turn left, then turn right. After that, you will see a roundabout. The hospital is there. Subsequently is much better word than simply next. The product failed safety tests. Subsequently, it was recalled. Ravi was not able to clear the tests. Subsequently, he was not selected in the team. Thereupon, the shooter surrendered. The police thereupon arrested him.